Wow. well. We are doing a top 33 NBA players tier list. This ought to be interesting. For GOATs, I'm only going to put the top five in there and then so on and so forth. You know what I'm saying? But I'm digging this. You know what I'm saying? I might not know all of these players. I started watching basketball pretty late. You know what I mean, um, but yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the. I'm not even gonna go in order because I gotta make sure I'm not tripping. I gotta see who's all on this list, right? So of course, goats. I feel like that's the easiest part for me. You know what I'm saying? Big Diesel. I mean, I feel like that's that right there. That's that right there. Um, Top 10 get a little dicey, right? Right. So let's see, we got Bill Russell, Steph Curry. The prime Dwight was crazy, but if this is based off their entire career, I don't know. You got Magic, you got Kareem, Bill Russell. Damn. Giannis, Kawhi. All time though. Man, fuck it. We just gonna dive into this shit. I mean, we just gonna dive into this shit. Gotta throw Magic in the top 10. Gotta throw Kareem in the top 10. I would have to say you gotta throw Bill Russell in there too, bro. Got 11. You know what I'm saying? 11 rings, you know what I'm saying? Curry. Curry, I feel like is definitely submitted to Soul and Bird. Oh shit, AI down there. I mean, kudo. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? AI is a dog. Fuck it, man. Say what you want. I think KD up in there. Gotta throw Chuck. Feel like you throw Chuck, you gotta throw in. Honestly, I feel like you gotta throw in Dirk, KG. There's a lot of people I feel like you gotta throw in, man. But I would say I would give Dirk the edge over KG just a little bit. Fuck it, bro. Damn, this is tough. This is tough. Alright. Now, I don't know all these players, remember. And I never got to see a lot of these players play. I'll throw Dr. J in there. I ain't never get to see him play, but I know he like that. All time, man. If I'm being honest, I think one of the most impressive things that has been done is averaging the triple double over 2 seasons, dog. Fuck it, man. Like Russ might have had a bad couple years, but that man's still a dog. Should this just be all prime players and type shit? Because in their prime, CP in his prime was a problem. Dwight in his prime was a problem. Melo in his prime was a problem. Harden was a problem in his prime too. Harden in his prime was, I would say, it's probably top 20. At least of the people here. Oh, is this Clyde Drexler? I don't know. I don't really know what bro look like. Oh, this is getting harder and harder. I have no idea who this is right here. So he's probably gonna go in my almost there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who he is. 3 more top 20 spots though. Go ahead and throw CP up there. Phil. But is CP in his prime better than Giannis or Kawhi? Okay. CP in his prime was different, don't get me wrong. I feel like Giannis got to go top 25, bro. Kawhi, I'll throw you in that top 20. James Harden, throw you in 25. I'm about to just start doing shit, bro. Don't come at me in the comments, or actually come. Just let me know what you feel in the comments. You know what I mean? I've never done like a list before. I probably should have just did current players because I don't know if I'm disrespecting any legends. Melo. I fought with Melo, bro, but Hakeem Olajuwon. There, fucking Clyde Drexler, throw up there. Dwight. Throw up there. Isaiah Thomas. Throw him up there. And then we got to throw all the rest of them down here and almost there, you know what I'm saying? And the list is complete. Rate my basketball knowledge. Even though I'm judging a good chunk of these players and I've never seen them play. I've only seen highlights. You know what I mean? Who would you have where? Who would you have where? Let me know in the comments the biggest mistake you see on my tier list. And next time I do a list, I'm gonna have to do it on Twitch so we could debate live. You know what I mean? Or yeah, we ever do on Twitch because you're probably not gonna do it on TikTok. I'll be playing games on TikTok. But either way, y'all should pull up to the Twitch and the TikTok. If you want to play games, have a good time, pull up to the TikTok. If you want to watch videos with me, make tier lists. Eventually I'm gonna get back in the game, and once I get my internet stuff figured out, pull up to the Twitch. Anywhere you need to find me, Lando_Sit, man. It's that simple. Matter of fact, if you made it to this point in the video, comment hashtag top 33. Hashtag top 33. All love, man. Appreciate y'all being here. Like, comment, share if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And I'm